Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app failure to load, the error, troubleshooting loading and the crash issues. So guys, to fix the Birdfy app failure to load the error, first of all update the app. If failure to load or login, the error is frequently caused by the outdated app version struggling to communicate with your Birdfy server. So guys, you simply go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and search for the Birdfy app and tap the option of update if new version is available. Then guys, force close and the clear cache. A simple restart can clear out the temporary glitch, especially with the app is stuck and buffering or looping. So you swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to bring up the app switcher and swipe the Birdfy app card upward to close it. Then guys, open your Android, open setting app Birdfy, then tap the option of force close, then go to the storage and select the clear cache and reopen the app to see if it load properly. Then guys, restart your Birdfy devices. Sometimes the error related to the camera itself failing to connect to your Wi-Fi, preventing the app from loading the device list or live stream. Locate the power button on the camera module and press and hold the button for 3 seconds to shut it down, and wait for the 10 seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it on. Then guys, restart your network and the router. So Birdfy camera and their app require a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your phone is connected to your local 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before opening the app, and try to restarting your home internet router. Okay, so guys, thank you.